Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix blurry Instagram stories. So guys, let's start without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you want to see the story and it's not working and it's blurry, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the app store and just simply have to search for the Instagram app. So let me search for the Instagram app. And now from here guys, update the Instagram app and also make sure that you are not using the Instagram Lite app, and you have to update the app. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is there guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. And from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to turn off your mobile data and then turn on Wi-Fi or vice versa, and then close this page and just simply have to go to the Instagram again. So let me open the Instagram from here guys. Now tap on your profile and then you have to tap on three lines, and now from here guys, you can easily find media quality. Tap on that and just simply have to make sure that if this is turned off, use less cellular data. So just simply have to turn this off and then you have to turn both of these tools on and just simply have to close this page and then restart your device. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Let me tell you that if you have sent the story on Instagram and if it's blurry, then it means you have send the story and you have saved the video in low resolution. Okay guys, if you want to save the story Instagram, just simply have to save your video with the high resolution. Okay guys, so let me tell you that you have to save the story in 1080 or 30. Okay guys, because Instagram is supported for that resolution. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.